everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we'll be discussing that how you can change the alarm volume on your iPhone. So if you go to your clock app and underneath clock app you see that there are alarm option. If you tap on it, you can adjust the alarms from here and all add the settings. If you see that there is no settings for setting an alarm volume, but you can adjust the sounds or changing the different sound of alarm from here. But to adjust the volume, you just need to go back. You need to go to the settings, and after going to settings, just swipe up and you see that there is a sounds and haptic option. Just tap on the sounds and haptic option, and if you go to the sound and haptic option, you see that there is still no alarm option. What you see here is you can adjust your alarm volume from your ringtone and alerts volume. If your alarm or ringtone volume is low, it means that your alarm volume is also low. You need to keep it to the maximum so that you can get your alerts or your alarm updates to a maximum. So that's how you can actually adjust your alarm volume in your iPhone. I hope this video helping out in adjusting the volume or adjusting the alarm volume on your iPhone. If you still have any comment or any question in your mind, please get back to me and I'll try to sort out as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Bye bye.